Hi there, I'm Marina from AppJobs.com, and today I'm gonna be telling you everything about Stella&Dot, one of our job offers. So by the end of this video, you will know everything about this app job, and most importantly, you will know how to apply for it through our website. So let's do this. Stella&Dot is an online platform that offers flexible entrepreneurship for women while supporting them to follow their passion. While working together with Stella&Dot, you will be working as a stylist, advising customers in their choice of jewelry and clothing. Besides, Stella&Dot has many benefits for everyone that's working with them as a stylist. One, you get to be your own boss. You decide when and how much you want to work, meaning there are no minimum requirements. Number 2, strong community. Stella&Dot has a big community of supportive women. Number 3, incomes and commissions. Of course that the more you work, the more you're gonna get paid. But that's not only it, you actually get 35% of commissions on sales. In addition, when working as a stylist with Stella&Dot, you can do online style sessions, in-person style sessions, one-on-one style sessions, and you can also build a team of stylists so you learn more and more. But what about the requirements? Well, I'll tell you everything about the requirements, but first I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel, click on the red button, and also click on the little bell to activate the notification so you'll always know when we have a new video up. And the big mystery over the requirements is just that you just have to be 18 years old to start working with Stella&Dot. And another thing that you should know is that when you start with Stella&Dot, you have to pay for a little starter kit. And it is $199, which is the first investment you're gonna make in your stylist career. Now, if you are interested in working with Stella&Dot, all you have to do is click in the first link in our description box or just go straight up to AppJobs.com. Once you're there, you can sign in or join now, select your city, and then click on the category freelance to see if Stella&Dot is an option in your city. If it is, all you have to do is click on this button. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!